Did you know that the biggest concern for retirees is that when they retire, they will have too much time on their hands and not enough money? According to the AARP, a recent survey said that over 60% of retirees are concerned about money. So what do? Well, they look for part-time jobs to fill the void and make some extra income. The problem with finding a part-time job is that most of them, if not all of them, are going to require time for money, and usually they are very low pay, and typically they're physically exhausting. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys why YouTube is absolutely the best place for people over 50 to be right now, to not only fill that void, right? To fill that boredom void, but also to earn extra money, and to earn extra money passively. So no longer trading time for dollars, because having a YouTube channel can be both mentally rewarding and financially rewarding. YouTube is changing, and people like us, the 50 plus crowd, there has never been a better time than right now to get started with a YouTube channel. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to share with you guys the secret weapon that people over 50 possess. It's something you have right now that will help you absolutely crush it here on YouTube. If you're new here, my name is Judd Albring. I am 52 years old, and I've been making a full-time living right here on YouTube for the past 5 years. Not only am I able to earn over 6 figures per year from my YouTube channel, but I'm able to do this in my spare time and from anywhere in the world. And if you want to learn more about how to use YouTube as a business to turn your passion into profit, then click the link below in the description to download my free YouTube Jumpstart, where I show you how to get your first channel up and running and post your very first video. So the first thing I want to talk about why I believe YouTube is the best place for people over 50 is purpose, right? It has given me purpose. For the first time in a long time, I wake up every day and I'm excited, right? I'm excited to research my video topics. I'm excited to get my camera out and my microphone and sit here and record videos. It's fun and it's rewarding. I make money from these videos. Not only that, but I've noticed a change in my attitude, right? I'm happier. I'm more fulfilled. It's also affected me physically. It's like changed the way I look at health. I'm more active now. I exercise. I do jujitsu. I eat healthier. It's changed every aspect of my life. And not only that, my kids love it. They think I'm the cool dad because I have a YouTube channel, and these YouTube videos will live online forever and ever. So they will continue to make me money over and over and over again. That's the absolutely crazy part. I'm fulfilled, I'm happier, and I'm making money in retirement, which is insane. Now, there are lots of different ways to make money on YouTube. One way that most people talk about is through AdSense. And this is where YouTube places ads on your video. And YouTube is a business, right? That's how they make money. They want people to make more videos so they can show more ads. And I've been able to do really well with AdSense. I've made a lot of money from that. My channel still continues to make money. When it comes to AdSense, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you can be approved to actually make money from these ads. But don't worry about that, because you can actually still make money, a lot of money on YouTube, without AdSense. AdSense is just a bonus. Think of it as like your tips every month. The way I've been able to really capitalize on my YouTube channel is through things like brand deals, memberships. I do coaching and freelancing. I've done speaking engagements. Also, I have my own digital products that I can sell on here. That's where I really make most of my money. And some of the products, this is the crazy part, I didn't even create myself. I'm an affiliate for these products. So I might, let's say, if I'm doing a video about this camera, I would then say, say, hey, if you want to learn more about this Canon camera I'm filming with, I'll put a link below in the description. And when people click on that link and buy the camera, guess what? I get paid a percentage. So I'm able to make money from YouTube probably 6 or 7 different ways. And here's the crazy part. You do not have to have 1 million subscribers. You do not have to have 1 million views. Those days are gone. It used to be where a channel was judged by how many subscribers it had, how many views. Those days are gone. Those are what we call vanity metrics. You can make money from a YouTube channel with 100 subscribers. It's about solving problems, right? Educating people and helping them go from point A to point B. It could be something as simple as how to change a light bulb to how to save money for retirement. There's so many different things you could do. It could be how to bake a cake. The point is, people go to YouTube and they're searching for solutions to their problems. They want to know, how can I lose weight? How can I make money? How can I save money? How can I meet a partner? How can I build a shed in my backyard? There's so many different things that you can do. So don't get hung up on not having enough subscribers or views, or whether you're completely brand new. It doesn't matter. I always like to tell my audience and people in my courses that people buy from people. Okay, so you are in an amazing position right now to get started. Also, I don't know if this is true, don't quote me on this, but a lot of people say that YouTube is now favoring new YouTube channels. So they're really helping these new YouTube channels explode. Also, when it comes to the technical side of YouTube, all you need is your phone to get started. When I started with my phone and my laptop, and I actually recorded my first video using the camera built in to my laptop, and I filmed some of my videos with my iPhone. That was it. And I used a light so I could get a little better lighting from Home Depot. I bought a shop light and I would put it up in the corner of my kitchen. And that was it. And that's how I did my first 100 videos. That's actually how I got to my first 6 figures online. So you do not need a lot of fancy equipment to get started. In fact, you have everything you need to get started right now. The only thing keeping you is you. It's not the technical, it's not the gear. You can do this, you can get started. Now, another big question people have is, well, Judd, what the heck do I talk about? For some people, this can be really difficult. For some people, it can be really easy. Now, this may be a bit cliche, but you know, what are you good at? What do you like to do? What are your passions, right? And I'm going to talk more on passions here in a second, but think about your interests and your hobbies, and can you solve a problem there? Now, a problem doesn't have to be losing weight, making money. A problem could be, I want to build a shed in my backyard, but I don't know how to do it. And maybe you're really good with your hands. You're really good with woodworking. You could have a channel devoted to building sheds. And guess what? You could sell plans, digital plans in a PDF or even a video on how to build a shed. That's one idea. Cooking, right? That's a problem for a lot of people. How to cook healthy meals, how to cook for a family of 4 for under $20. There's so many different things you can do. So start thinking about what it is you're good at, but also are the things that you're good at, are these problems people want solved? You hear this a lot. You might be really good at underwater basket weaving, but there's probably not a big audience for that, okay? Also, back to passions. You could be really, really passionate about something, but if there's not an audience for it, there's not a real pain point, it might not be what you want to do your YouTube channel about, unless your sole reason for doing it is just to stay active and stay busy. But I like to teach people how to monetize their passions. So it's real simple to get started. Get a piece of paper, start writing down your passions, your interests, and then on the other side, start writing down your skill sets, what you're good at, and see where they kind of meet in the middle. And when you can find where your passions, your interests meet with your skills, then you've found your niche, you've found your idea. And you do a little research, you make sure that there's competition out there. Competition is a good thing. You want people selling products and services in your niche. And the best place to do it is right here on YouTube, okay? So that's the best place to get started. Now, the secret weapon that we have, okay? 70%, guys, of 46 to 55-year-olds watched YouTube. 67% of those 56 and older watch YouTube. So people our age and older are coming to YouTube to solve their problems. Google is the #1 search engine in the world. YouTube is #2. Also, like I said earlier in the video, people buy from people, okay? So we have a rare advantage of helping our age demographic. But also, what's really beneficial for us is we have all this knowledge and skill. We have all these years of education, right? Whether it's from our actual job or from our hobbies and our skill sets. So we have a crap ton to offer, guys, a ton, okay? Take a little time, start figuring out what are some things you might be able to do. Maybe you speak another language, I don't know. But you have the wisdom, okay? And that is crucial. So right now is the perfect time for anyone over 50 to get started. I'm telling you, this is it. And you just got to get started. As one of my mentors says, you just have to hit record. And don't forget to download my YouTube Jumpstart, where I show you how to turn your passion into profit with your YouTube channel. It's absolutely free. I'll show you how to get started and upload your very first video today. The time is now. Take advantage of it. YouTube is hands down the best place to cure that boredom, fill that void, but also to make a lot of money at the same time. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.